Stick. Good morning.
Good morning.
That's some coffee for you.
Lifesaver.
We are on our way to Belgium to visit an abandoned blast furnace. This video is not about the history of this area, but about the exploration and to bring you guys with us on this journey. I will leave some information about this place in the description below. Now let's jump in the area and explore.
We are at the Urbex location.
Yes.
And he already got injured. Show the...
Just a little bit, it's fine.
Now I'm gonna show you guys the view behind us, and it is absolutely amazing. Yeah. Does it hurt?
No, it doesn't.
It's the first time you got injured during an Urbex exploration.
Exactly.
Just unbelievable how big this is. I never seen an abandoned place that is so big. It really suits you down. So I heard these buildings were built in 1956, if I'm correct, and it's now abandoned for 10-20 years. That's what I read on the internet. Look around us. There's nobody here. We're gonna do a lot here, but right now we are just gonna explore it and give you guys some B-roll footage. I think it is all too much to film in one day because the area is really big. We do what we can to give you guys the best experience at home. Are we going downstairs?
I think so, yes.
Oh, yeah, let's do it. Ah. Whoa. Surfer room. I've never seen anything like this.
It's just weird, man.
Yeah. Strange feeling, isn't it?
Especially because it's like still here. If it would have been in the Netherlands, it would be all strips for one thing.
What I think is that they left in a hurry. There was a really big accident here.
Maybe. Big fire.
We just explored some machine rooms, surfer rooms, and some other things we really don't know what it was. A really weird kind of industrial abandoned atmosphere.
Yes. And this is just the first building. So, a lot in store, guys.
Yep. It's all written in French. I can't read it. Still just documents here. Oh my god.
Day by day, Charles.
Can you... This is so... That was scary, man. I don't know if you could hear it on camera, but a part of the...
Catwalk just came down. Luckily we weren't close to it, but it's not so safe as we thought.
So what do you think this area was?
I think this was the workshop, just for regular maintenance. And you can just see all the old workbenches. Even where they used to have important stuff is over there, so you could look it up. It's amazing, it's just all still here. You can just make out what everything is.
Yeah.
It's wow.
You can really feel the history.
Yes.
And now we're standing here in history with nobody around us, and it feels amazing. We are going to explore this big building over here. We need to find an entrance first, and then yeah, we can go inside and have a look. I'm excited. So you said this was used for if you got injured right here, they will put you on this bed and get you out and get you to the hospital and give you the care that you need, right?
I think so, yes.
Yeah, I think you're right. It's definitely not for sleeping here at night. That's too uncomfortable.
Yes, and also I don't think you want to sleep here. Whoa.
No, maybe not here.
No, come over here. Dude, what is this?
This is how every movie starts.
Dum dum dum.
This is the main building. What? I'm cool with it. Let's go.
Let's go. Worst part about climbing?
It can be slippery.
They're very freaking slippery.
Huh? We're almost at the top. Let's go further.
Let's go further.
Made it.
We made it.
So how high was it?
106 meters.